What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're actually in the shop. We're going to do Goliath's first oil change, just for the simple fact that we finally hit that 500 mile mark. It's a little windy outside. Hopefully you guys can hear me pretty good, but we finally hit the 500 mile mark, so we're going to do his first oil change. While I'm up there, I'm going to also change the oil pan gasket, just because I over tightened the last one I put on there, so it's leaking around the oil pan. But yeah, we finally hit that mark. We're going to start getting him ready to get dynoed. So far, this whole braking process, everything's been good on the car, but we're really going to see how he holds up once he's on the actual dyno. So that's what we got in store today, and I'll see you guys inside the shop in a bit. Alright guys, so we got Goliath on the lift. He's all set up, ready to go to do the oil change and the oil pan. Now, this is the oil recommended for my build, 20W50. You guys might be thinking that this is extremely thick of an oil, but it's not. The machine shop where I got the bottom end put together highly recommended using this oil. Speed Factory actually uses this oil on their race cars, but it's supposed to keep the car lubricated under high boost and very high revs. So this is what we're going with. But yeah, we got Goliath right there. We're gonna lift him up and start getting all this done. Alright, so look at this nasty leak of oil. So we're definitely gonna get that oil pan gasket changed out, and thankfully I don't have an exhaust, so that's going to make life easier. All I got to do is undo all the bolts around the pan, and it's just going to drop right down. And obviously I just got to take that off. But yeah, this should be a quick, easy process. Oil changes, I'm sure all of you guys know how to do. Take the drain plug out, drain all the oil out, take the oil filter out, replace it, and then just pretty much add oil. So yeah, let's get this banged out. Alright, so oil pan's officially off. This gasket looks like crap, but that's why we're changing that out. And everything looks good on the bottom so far, bottom and side. So yeah, let's get this new gasket on and have this all ready to go. So we got our oil pan all freshed up, new gasket, and time to put this on. Alright guys, just like that, fresh oil pan gasket is on. Now it's time to put our oil in. And once we got our oil in, we're going to let the car run for a little while and make sure we got no leaks. Now check this oil out, guys. Probably hard to see, but the oil is actually green. There you go. Got some green oil. That's pretty sweet. Alright, we're checking our oil level and it's good. It's perfect. Now let's turn them over and make sure we got no leaks. them idle for a while. Raise the car up, make sure there's no leaks. Alright, so Goliath's been idling for a while. Good 20 minutes and no leaks so far, so looks like we are good, boys. So we're gonna wrap this video up here. See you guys on the next.